This will be a speed test between these two Android beasts. On the left, we have the OnePlus 6 versus the Razer Phone. Now the OnePlus 6, this one has the Snapdragon 845, and the Razer Phone has the Snapdragon 835 from last year. Both have a nice and hefty 8 gigs of RAM, and both are on Android Oreo. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the messaging app. OnePlus 6. Camera on both. OnePlus 6 again. Open the calculator. Very similar on both. Clock. Identical. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both. Leave that running in the background. Play Store. Tie. Open Uber. A little bit of a delay there on both. Leave that in the background. eBay on both phones. And give this to the OnePlus 6. Go ahead and click on this monitor. And leave that in the background. Baseball at bat. And give this to the OnePlus 6. NBA app, go. Call that one a tie. Go ahead and open the Chrome app on both. Do some browsing. Going to the Amazon site, go. Pretty much identical. Gonna scroll through this. Nice and butter on both, but especially like butter on the Razer phone since this phone has the 120Hz display. Go ahead and click on the Amazon full site, go. Pretty much identical. Pinch to zoom. And again, a little bit smoother on the Razer phone because of its display. Leave that running in the background. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And ooh, give this to the Razer phone. Go ahead and tap to begin. And leave that running in the background. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Venice Beach. Both are loading. And give this to the OnePlus 6. Tap to play. Leave that running in the background. Temple Run 2. Lost Jungle on this one. Loading on both. Oh, hella close. Let's see which one is out in front. And give this to the OP6. Tap to play. Close it. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. OnePlus 6 out in front. Will the Razer catch it? It does not. And give this win to the OnePlus 6. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. OnePlus 6 way out in front. So you can see with the progress bar. And now the Razer phone is starting. And give this easy win to the OP6. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the OnePlus 6. Will the Razer phone catch up? And I'm gonna call this one a tie. Twitter on both phones. That's a tie. Instagram. Another tie. And Snapchat. A tie again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background as you can see. Now both phones have a nice and healthy 8 gigs of RAM. So let's check out the RAM management between these two. Instagram, good to go. Twitter on both phones, still in RAM. CSR Racing 2, paused and ready to resume on both. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, ready to play. Angry Birds 2, ready to continue. Temple Run 2, ready to resume on both. Subway Surf, ready to resume as well. Mario Run, and oh, I think we have a reload here on the right. Still in RAM on the OP6. The browsing on both. Still on Amazon, NBA app, and a reload on the Razer phone. OnePlus 6, still in RAM. At bat, same place, eBay, and ready to go on the OP6. This one, a little bit of a stutter. Play Store, same place, clock on both phones, stopwatch still running, the calculator on both, same place, camera, a little bit of a delay on the right, and the messaging app, give that to the OP6. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this test. Are you in the Razer zone with excellent front-firing speakers and a nice and buttery smooth 120Hz display? Are you team OnePlus, rocking the OnePlus 6, the OnePlus 5T, OnePlus 5, or even the OnePlus 3T? These phones having some pretty good specs for essentially half the price. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.